Let me show you some of these moves, okay? Now, yesterday I had identified some of these key areas. Now you can see this, by the way, is what my screen looks like when I'm in here trading. Do you see how much I have, how much I'm recalculating? Right. And then I come in here in the morning and I just delete them all. And you guys are like, oh my gosh. That's because as I'm trading, I am creating all these levels. Do you see all these? Because what I do with these is, right? Let's say I get into a trade here. I can watch. I start identifying channels. I can see what it's going to do. Because think about it. Let's say we'll use this as an example. So this is the channel I've identified, right? Let's say I got into a put here. Okay. Let's say I got into a put here because I'm like, oh, it pulled back here. Now I wouldn't do that. Why? We don't buy a put at support, do we? Do we buy a put at support?
Nope.
No, sir.
Hell no. But let's say I was an idiot, right? My brain lapsed, right? So I bought it right here. Well, this will give me the strength to ride into some of this, right? Until I go, hey, goofball, you shouldn't be in here. Get the hell out, right? Maybe I finally come to my senses. But if I don't come to my senses, at least I have this key critical level to go, listen, if this breaks above here and holds, I need to get the hell out because I bought down here anticipating a pull, but I already know right here is the key critical level, and this means get out.